Christine G, and we're going to be going over this problem today. So here we're first asked to determine the chi-square test statistic. So that's the first question, and we have our data over here, and we can bring it right into StatCrunch by clicking on that rectangle and then clicking Open in StatCrunch. Now from here, this is a chi-square test statistic, so we go into Stat, Goodness of Fit, chi-square test, and then here we have observed. We're going to put observed. These are labeled nicely, and expected, we'll go with expected, and then we'll go ahead and compute. Our test statistic is 0.16, so let me put that over here. Okay, and then the degrees of freedom, well, they are calculated right here as 3 degrees of freedom. And then the critical value. So we're going to have to look at the 0.05 level of significance. And let me see. Let me open StatCrunch again. And we'll have to calculate it. So we'll go into Stat, Calculators, and then we go into chi-square. And then here, we're going to put the area under the curve is going to be 0.05. And then we know the degrees of freedom is 3, and it's going to be to the right. So this is 0.05 under here. And then this is our critical values, 7.814, so on. So let's go ahead and put that in here to 3 decimal places. 7.815. Ah, it wasn't typing. Sorry, I was looking at the other screen. 7.815. Good, it typed for me that time. And then should the null hypothesis be rejected? So there are a couple of things that we can look at. So they're saying here no, because chi-square naught is less than or equal to that of 0.05. So the original chi-square test statistic is 0.16, and that is less than 7.815. So let's go ahead and check that out. Good. And just to go into this a little bit more, so 0.16 would be way down here, and 7.815 is way up here. And so this is the critical area, the critical region, and so this is outside of the rejection or critical area. So hope that makes sense, and please email me if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching.